Thank you for buying your cloud digital photo frame from Sungale. When you first plug in your cloud photo frame, it will begin to boot, which takes about 1 minute. Once the booting is finished, you'll be taken to a user registration dialog box. To finish registration, go to www.sungalewifi.com/cloudframe, and at the bottom you'll see a serial number. Make sure to write that down because you'll need it in the registration process. Next step, you'll have to go to your laptop or computer to finish the registration.
Now at your website, go to www.sungalewifi.com/cloudframe. Once entering the site, you go up to the upper right corner and click Activate Frame. Now fill out your information, including your serial number that you found from the frame, your name, email, and a password. Now your address. There are also additional options at the very bottom, including telephone, gender, and birthday. And at the very bottom, click Register. You will now see an activation dialog box pop up. So go to your email, look for an email from support@sungalewifi.com. You'll see an activation code in bold. Go ahead and copy that. You'll also paste that into the activation dialog box from the website. Now click Activate and click Manage Your Album Now. Now you're in the website, and the first step is to create a new album. To do that, click Add Album, put in a name, and press OK. Now you need to add photos to your album. Click Manage Album. Click on the cloud, browse your files, and select the files you want. I'm selecting 2. Press Open, and then press OK. Now click Manage Album, and all the photos within that album that you just uploaded will be available. You can either delete them or you can add new files. Now you need to create a slideshow. Click Slideshow and add new slideshow and put in a name. Press OK. Now go back to your album and go to Push to Slideshow and select the slideshow you just created and press OK. Now go to Slideshow and select Push to Frame and select your frame. Press OK. Now go to your frame and select your frame, and you'll see your slideshow there. This is where you can set all your settings for the slideshow on your frame, such as transition type, slideshow interval, slideshow startup time, and sleep in. So rotate, slide, scale, and fade are your transition types. Your interval is how often it will switch between pictures. Your startup time is how long it will be before it starts up when your frame is turned on. And your sleep is how long the slideshow will play before the frame goes to sleep. Save these settings at the bottom and you'll get a notification that they have been saved. Now go to your frame and you don't have to touch it again. All your settings are set, and that's as easy as that. Now another cool thing about this frame is the fact that you can give your login information to anyone in your family or friends to allow them to create their own album. So say you want to give one to your sister, and they can load all their photos into this album. You want to give one to your brother. You can load all his photos into this album, or if you want to do one for an event, such as Christmas, you can have everyone load their own Christmas photos into an event, such as Christmas 2015. And then if you give this frame to your mom or dad or grandma and grandpa, they never have to touch it. Anyone with the login information just log into the website and load all the photos into that album, create the slideshow, and then just push it to the frame, and grandma and grandpa or mom and dad will be able to see those photos without ever having to touch the frame.